Hello youngsters, hope this video finds you safe and sound. If you think the content I upload is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great time. Introduce yourself.
Okay. I am Bikram Singh. I am from Katangi, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. I am basically village. I have completed my diploma pharmacy 6 months ago from Kalaniketan Polytechnic College, Jabalpur. So
Okay.
I will pursue B Pharma since July. So
Okay.
this time,
That
yeah. So what about you?
yeah, as you know, I am Pradeep. I am from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, and
Yeah.
I'm currently pursuing BTech in the Department of Civil Engineering. Yes. And what are your hobbies?
My hobby is to listen English conversation, listen and watch English songs and
Wow.
like that.
So, what is your favorite songs in English?
I am a provider.
I'm a provider. Is that the song name?
Yes, I know. I don't know about of this song name, but now I know this.
Okay, great. And what other music do you love to listen?
So I'm listening in earphone and loudly. So this listening songs improving my pronunciation and improving my vocabulary
Yes.
and improving for spoken English.
Wow, that's great. So you are doing a great job to improve your English day by day, and your English
Yeah,
seems good to believe. And you just have to focus on the pronunciation and vocabulary part. Yeah, but you are making good sentences. No worries about that.
yeah. Huh. I'm doing practice for English speaking. So when I free, so I watch some videos from YouTube's or with English subtitle and some serials with subtitle and some movies and listens some articles in English language.
Wow, that's great. And so, so do you have any English environment to practice with? I mean, do you have any
No,
friends? Okay.
so I have two friends. So I started with two, 2 or 3 days before. So I have there is no environment because this is a village. So here is no environment for speaking English. So
Yes.
I speak to myself and practice to front of mirror.
Wow, that's great. You are doing, and yeah, I'm a village guy as well, and I also approaching you guys to practice English with, and yeah, I do practice with the mirror as well,
Yeah,
actually.
so I watched some videos of you uploaded on YouTube. So first I watch first. Sometimes I watch your videos first.
Oh, thank you. And yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, every time I upload a video, and your comment is the first.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you for watching my videos and commenting on that, commenting your opinions on that. So
Okay.
what is and what other things do you do to improve your English? I mean, other than watching conversations. So
What? What?
what other things do you do other than watching? Do you practice speaking by the dialects in the TV? Sorry, you don't
No,
get it right.
I'm
Okay.
not. I'm not watches TV. I'm practice from. I'm some videos watch on YouTube. So uh, who is Cambly and Clippingo. So
Video.
watch some videos from there.
Okay, that's great. And what do you feel that what are the problem areas you feel in English? I mean,
So I want to grammar structure, but when I speak spoken so words not and a sentence not comes in my mind
yes.
because this is my first conversation on video call.
Okay. Wow.
But I
Thank
believe
you.
myself one time I will be improve myself for in speaking English.
Okay. Thanks to you for selecting me to be the first in video call on video call. Yes. Thank you so much for that.
Welcome, welcome.
Yeah. So what else? What are you doing in your field now? Are you doing any work or something?
No, due to lockdown, I'm not any work. But before lockdown, 1 month before, I'm doing internship in a government hospital for after complete diploma pharmacy. So I want I'm doing 90 days training is compulsory for registration of pharmacist. So then completed internship. So I will be able. I will eligible for registration of pharmacist and then I license.
Okay.
So and
Okay. So
I
have you completed
what?
or have you completed your internship or is it in the midway?
So I'm not this time I'm not completed internship because I will go Jabalpur after 2 days because there
Okay.
is lockdown is open.
Yes, it is. And how is the coronavirus effect there? Is there serious uh, as well? I mean, like
There
in the
in the Jabalpur coronavirus is in the red zone. There is but in the village coronavirus is not affected. But sometimes for any work this is affected.
okay. Please be careful while you are working, while you are on the internship. Please take care of yourself.
Okay.
So, is there anything to ask me? You do you have any questions to ask me, or do you have any topic to talk on?
So how to improve English speaking English
Okay.
without environment in the village?
every every learner will face these problems by not having environment in English. But yeah,
Yeah.
uh, talking to yourself is a great way, and also while you're watching any movies, English movies or songs, try to imitate the dialogues with them.
Yeah.
These will improve your pronunciation and fluency.
Yeah.
For the speaking part, you have to speak. There is no other way to be improve in spoken part. Have to, yes, try to speak with yourself and try to approach the persons to who also want to be fluent in English. Try to approach them and try to practice speaking English. It's the only way.
Yes. So I do practice and record some videos in my mobile, and then after I listen. So what is the mistake on that?
That's it. That's a great way too. And yeah, I have uh, yes, I have. I mean, I have given these tip to a learner actually, by recording yourself on a topic for a 1 minute video, or yeah, and then after
Yeah.
recording it, you are watching, and you can see yourself talking, and you can see how your body language is, and how your pronunciation, how
Yeah.
your
Yeah.
face expression. That's great.
Yeah.
That's a great thing you are doing actually.
Yeah. but sometimes when I speak, so words and structure is not comes in my mind. But I know very well how to speak English. But when I front of other any person, so I can't speak this.
Yes, yes, I too have the same problem as well in the beginning, but after
Yeah,
practicing with more and more people and practicing more, I will yeah. Still, I don't get words while in speaking, but it's okay. We have to practice more. That's the only key to uh, get over
success.
that problem. Yes,
Yeah,
only key to improve in English. Yes,
yeah.
to talk. It's okay. And so we are here to improve our English, right? So I'll try to I will say a phrasal verb to you. Try to guess the meaning of it. Are you ready to do that?
Okay, I'm ready to
So the phrasal verb is get over. Get
get
over.
over. I don't know about that.
Try to guess. It's okay. It's okay if the meaning is wrong. There is yeah. I'm not going to give you marks and just uh, uh, just the fun way. Try to get it. I mean, try to get the meaning. Get over.
Get over. I think I don't idea. Get over.
It's okay. I'll reveal the meaning, and the meaning is to recover from something.
Thrika
To
word
recover
and something.
to recover
Thrika
from something. Yes,
to
recovering
to
from yes.
हाँ मतलब उस to recover something.
To recover from something. I mean you are at
मतलब
pay
कुछ
for the vaccination. Yeah.
मतलब
To
रिकवर कहीं से मतलब कुछ से रिकवर करना वापस मतलब पुराने
yes,
उसमें
you're
लाना
right.
सिचुएशन.
Yes,
या
yes. Got it. You got it. Yeah. Now
या
try to make a sentence to it. Try to make sentence with it. Get over.
get over. I don't know how to make
Yeah, it's okay.
sentence get over, but I will be practice get over and search in Google and how to make sentence of this.
Yeah. Yeah. I hope you will get over from the pains you are having now because of the vaccination.
Get over
Uh,
what?
Yeah. Get over means I hope you will get over from the pains you are having now due because of the vaccination.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I recover pain of my after
Yeah.
vaccination, but at night I fever say I'm in fever and at night yesterday, but I am recover today.
Okay. Hope you will get over through that pain.
Yeah,
That's what I just want to apply that phrasal verb to your present situation. That's it. I think you got me.
yeah. I will do try after
Yes.
this time.
Yeah. Actually, I'm just saying that uh, I'm trying to make that phrasal verb to your present situation. Get over. Get over means to recover from something. I'm saying that.
Yeah,
Yeah. I hope you will get over from that pain. That means to recover from the symptoms of vaccination after the
yeah,
vaccination. Have you got me?
yeah. I got it. So you say make some sentence. Get over.
Yeah, it's okay.
So,
No worries. Okay then. Whatever. What else, Vikram? So, what are your goals? What do you want to be? To be a
so
pharmacist?
yeah I become a pharmacist. I become a pharmacist, and then
Okay.
I will be and and this time I'm improving my English for pharmacist, and I will be a big do big in future.
Okay.
So
Hope you will. Hope you will
my
make sure.
my planning is uh, getting a license of opening pharmacy. So I will open medical shop. But
Okay.
sometimes be a few times before I I have running a 5 months medical shop.
Hope you will get the license very soon, and you will, yeah, do what you want.
Do you want you want?
I mean,
So
I'm just saying all the best to you. All the best for your uh, uh, future endeavors. Yeah.
repeat this,
So
please
what?
repeat this.
I'm just saying all the best for your future endeavors. I mean, you
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
want
Thank you,
to
thank you,
get the license. Yeah.
thank you, thank you.
Okay. What else, Vikram?
Or everything is okay. What
Yes, please.
else?
Yeah. What else is what are you up to? I mean, what are you going to do after our conversation?
So I walk some on their road. This is there is a road. So after conversation, I will go to my home. Then I practice for improving my English. So I always when I free, so I'm always watch some video from YouTube's. So that's videos are totally in English language. What I can see on YouTube. So these are materials are totally in English language.
Okay, that's great, and that's great. Great to hear. Actually, you're trying to get input of English all the time. That's a great thing, actually.
Yeah. So there is a no environment for speaking English. So I am practice to myself.
Yes. Go on with your practice, and hope you will be fluent very soon.
Yeah.
Okay, then. Okay. Great talk. Do you have anything else to ask me?
I have no question. I have no question to ask with you. But my question is, ke, how to improve English? This is my question.
Okay. I think as I have already said that you're doing what you need to do to improve your English. That's it. I mean, you're doing everything. You're watching the English. You're trying to get input of the English, and you are speaking too. And that's enough. You just have to continue what you're doing right now. Yes. For the
Yeah.
speaking part, you have to speak it, and you are doing that too. So no worries. Uh, uh, you just have to keep the ball rolling. Yeah, it's the idiom. To keep the ball rolling means to continue doing that work. What are you doing right now? Yeah,
Yeah.
to improve your English. That's it. There is no. I think for me, as per my knowledge.
Yeah. So I will try. I will try to that.
Yes, the best. Hope you will be very soon with ASAP. And that's it. I'm sorry if I annoy you with my, I mean, with the classroom attitude. I mean, like I just forced you to make a sentence guess the meaning of the phrasal verb. I'm sorry if you don't like it.
No, 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 no problem.
Okay.
So I will practice much more after this conversation, and I will meet sometimes after with you.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
So that
Okay.
time some improve.
Yes, you will. Yes, I'm sure that you will improve a lot of our next meeting.
Yeah, because this is my first conversation, so I can't speak properly and clear. This is my first conversation, so I am hesitate and words not comes in my mind and structure. I know, but words sentence not make properly.
No, no need to worry. Actually, you did a great job. Actually, you did good in our conversation. Actually, you have done better than me. Yes, yes. I can still remember my first conversation on Clappingo, and I
Yeah,
made that drastically. Yeah, you are doing better. You did better than me. Actually. Yes.
yeah.
Don't worry about the
Thank you,
hesitation. You
thank you.
will get over from it.
Yeah.
Okay then. Nice talk to you, Vikram. Bye.
Bye, bye.
Have a good day. Bye.